When inspecting a socket, it can be confusing which instrument to use first, a voltage tester or a multimeter. The first question is always, is voltage present? For the first voltage check, we do not recommend using a multimeter. An incorrectly used multimeter can display wrong values and create a dangerous situation. This can happen if the wrong function is selected, for example DC voltage instead of AC voltage, resistance instead of voltage measurement, or current instead of voltage measurement, which may cause a short circuit. It can also happen if the test leads are plugged into the wrong sockets on the multimeter. In all these cases, the multimeter may show a 0 or low value and dangerous voltage may be interpreted as no voltage being present. Also, if the batteries are empty or missing, the absence of a display value may be falsely interpreted as no voltage being present. That is why the first voltage check should always be done with a voltage tester that is designed for this safety check and can indicate dangerous voltage even without batteries. PANCONTROL. Measuring and testing instrument since 1986.